In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put together an outfit on Pinterest Mobile. We're going to build a simple private space on your phone where you can collect clothing ideas and see how pieces work together. Think of this like creating a digital mood board just for your looks, whether you're planning a special event outfit or refining your everyday style. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your mobile device. From the main screen, look to the bottom of the app for the Create option. It's your starting point for making something new, and it sits in the bottom menu so it's easy to find while you browse. Tap Create, and when the options appear, choose Board. A board is essentially a folder that neatly holds all the images, called pins, you want to keep in one place. Using a dedicated board for your outfit helps you visualize tops, bottoms, shoes, and accessories together without losing track of anything. Next, give your board a clear, helpful name. Go with something that instantly reminds you what's inside, like Spring Capsule Outfits or Wedding Guest Look. Right below the name, you'll see the option to make the board secret. Turn this on if you want privacy so only you and anyone you invite can view it. This is especially useful when you're still experimenting or don't want to share your plans publicly. You can also invite collaborators if you want input from a friend or stylist. Inviting someone lets them add images and ideas, which is great for quick feedback and inspiration. Once your name and privacy settings feel right, tap Create Board. Pinterest will take you to a screen designed to get you started quickly. You'll typically see suggested images or a prompt to add content to your new board. This is where you begin shaping your outfit vision. Choose an image here that sets the foundation for your look. Pick something specific, like a jacket you love, a dress you're building around, or a pair of shoes you know you want to wear. Starting with a focal piece makes it easier to keep the rest of your choices cohesive. As you select, aim for images that are clear and show the item well, so you can compare colors, textures, and silhouettes at a glance. That's all you need to begin putting together an outfit on Pinterest Mobile. Create your board, set your privacy and collaborators, and choose your first image to anchor the look. From here, your board becomes the hub where your style ideas take shape, all in one organized place on your phone.